welcome back to my channel. Just got home from work. My Sephora box came and I am excited. No, this video is not sponsored, not yet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to get our subscribers up, so we would definitely appreciate all the love. I don't really remember what I ordered from Sephora, but either way, I'm still excited about this because I know I said that I was going to order some things that would be helpful for my skin. So I think this one was kind of a focus on that. I do realize I look crazy as hell. Y'all don't need to tell me that. So just let that go. You know, I know I wear glasses, but these are the thickest ones that I have. This is the only pair I could find. So yeah, let's get into opening it. Here's a checklist of everything that I ordered, which is a lot of stuff, just in case we need to return something. And I think they gave me a lot of freebies because I don't recall this much stuff. Like, it says that it is 11 items in here, and I'm looking at like 13, maybe 15, I don't know. But we'll get into it. See what we got first. Oh, I remember these. Okay, so I ordered the Sephora nose strips, the charcoal nose strips. So I really cannot wait to try these or see how good this is gonna look. Let's see. I got the Huda Beauty Baby Bake. I remember this because I was excited when I first seen it. So the makeup can look extra amazing when I put it on. So let's see. Oh, look at that. Ooh. So excited about this. I don't know why, but I am so excited about this. Let's see. How do you open it? It looks like it's very sophisticated to open. Oh, okay. So it has a little dispenser on the top, so you can kind of either push it out or just go right in with it. So that kind of works out. All right, next we got the Ordinary, the Natural Moisturizing Factors Surface Hydration Formula. So got that, can't wait to try this. The main thing that happens with my skin, it's like after I'm done like doing my morning or my evening routine, it gets super dry. So I'm definitely in the market for a moisturizer or something that can keep it more hydrated. So if you guys know of anything that I could try, that would be amazing. So there that is right there for you guys, so you guys can see it. Next is the NARS concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. Excited about this one. Now, since I was ordering online, I didn't want to commit to a big one yet because I really like to, you know, kind of look at them first. So, I got the little small one. The little small one. So, see how that one goes. It might be too light, but then again, it's probably gonna be under the eye, so I guess that's a good thing too. That's that. And then when you blend it in, let's see. Oh yeah, okay, that will work. It gives a good coverage. And it's buildable. I definitely can see that it's buildable. All right. Next we have Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer Stick. This is from Rare Beauty. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. No, I have not, but they sold me on it because of the size. Look how big that is. So it's definitely something to try. Let's see, so you open it. Oh, it looks very creamy. And it's a full size, so that is, oh yeah, that's almost perfect. Because if I show you guys, you're not gonna even be able to see my skin. Can you see it, my skin on there? That's how good it is. It's that good. That's really good. Okay, I've sold on that. All right, so next we have the NARS Creamy Concealer, and this one is in the shade Cream You Say. I guess that's the name of it. Caramel, sorry. Caramel, medium to dark 2. And the other one, the one I showed you guys before, is in the color medium 3. So this one is medium to dark 2. So again, I ordered both of them because I didn't know which one would actually work, because, you know, I didn't get a chance to actually go up there. So let's see what this one looks like. It's light. It's not too heavy. I put a little bit on my tattoo and kind of just dabbed it in. So, and it's giving coverage over the tattoo. It's a heart back there, but under there, excuse me, but it's working out. I like this one. I really like this one. Okay, so the next thing we have, I feel like it's my birthday, which my birthday is coming up in 2 weeks, but this is something totally different. Let's see. This is the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner, the perfect line every time, award winning, from Stila, S-T-I-L-A. Let's see. Yeah, and I got the small one in this one only because I be needing one for my purse. So, and it works like, ooh, it works just right. It's very wet. No drying out on this one. But I be needing one for my makeup routine to keep it really nice. Okay, it snaps back on. But yeah, that almost drew on there too easy. All right, so we're back to the Ordinary. Y'all can see that. We're back to the Ordinary. This is their niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. This says that apply to the entire face morning and evening before heavier creams. So this helps with hydration. Yeah, this is definitely, a little birdie told me to try this line, the Ordinary. So this is what it looks like. So a few drops just to see. Put a few drops on just to see if it's like light. Or how does it feel on the skin? Doesn't have a smell to it. It's nice and hydrating. Okay. That will work. I cannot wait to try this stuff. Alright, on to the next item. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution. Let's see. This is big. So it comes with this little nozzle first. And then you open it. And then it comes with this. I am so excited to try this. You guys have no idea how excited I am. All right, so it's saying on here, use ideally in the PM, no more frequently than once per day. After cleaning, saturate a cotton pad with the formula and sweep across the face and neck. Do not use on sensitive, peeling, or compromised skin. Alrighty. I really am excited about this and getting started with it. I really am. So that's that. And then the next thing that we have is Fenty. You guys know I have been oozing to try something from Rihanna's line. I was just waiting for the right moment and the right opportunity, and then I seen this duo on Sephora's website to try it. So I got the Fenty Butter Drop. And let's see. And the Fenty Skin Exfoliating Body Scrub. So I'll be using that, or at least trying that, on the backs of my arms for some odd reason, probably because of the weather. It's so irritated back there. So just right here on both arms. And then for this is the Necessaire, the Body Rituals. So this is like the whole thing. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is the whole thing. It comes with the body exfoliator, the body wash, the body serum, and the body lotion. All four of these anyway. And I don't think these are the actual sizes. I think this is like a small size, which is not a big deal because I really just kind of want to see how it works out before I even commit to the bigger sizes anyway. So that's about how big that is. And this one is the body exfoliator. It says it's in the fragrance eucalyptus. Smell it. Oh yeah, you can smell the eucalyptus, and it still has the little silver thing on there. So it's not even open, but it's a little strong. Wash. Let's see what the body wash smells like. Oh, so you have to take this off of here. Yeah, you do. That doesn't smell too bad. Not at all. Eucalyptus. So, and this one is the body serum. Yeah, that smells good too. And then this one is the body lotion. So, yeah, this smells good too. The whole line smells really good, so I'm excited about trying it. All right. Oh, yeah, this smells good. Yeah, and this is super soft. Like, super soft. Yeah, and it doesn't have a smell on it, but it is soft. It's body lotion. It's a really soft body lotion. This would be first, and then this would be second, and then this would be third. No. Okay, so first, second, and then this would be third, the exfoliator. And then this would be the body lotion. So I think that's how that goes. Let's see. And then for the ordinary, it would be, this is a moisturizer. And this is a toning solution. So it would be this first and then the moisturizer. So, which makes a lot of sense too. So, and that is all in my box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me for Sephora. Everything that I ordered, it actually did come, so that's really good. This is my first time using Sephora's website. Usually I go to Sephora. They're like right next door, but again, because of the way that I work, I haven't had a chance to actually go. But if you guys can, you know, recommend something for me to try, you know, leave it down below or comment or just let me know. Again, I'm really looking for something to keep a lot of moisture in my face. You know what I mean? Like hydration, if that makes any sense. And I kind of want to just try a couple different things, you know, just to see what really works and balances my face out. So thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to watch another video. And thank you for watching.